Good evening.
Good evening. Where are you going?
I am going to the doctor.
In what connection?
I don't feel well these days.
What's the matter?
I have always got a headache. I never feel fresh.
Do you take exercise?
No, I don't find the time. You know I am busy with my studies. I study all the time.
That's why you don't feel well.
What do you mean?
I mean, a person who studies all day and does not take exercise, should he not fall ill?
Why don't you tell me clearly?
Listen. Exercise is very important for health. When the exam is near, the students study all day sitting in one place. Their food does not digest properly. They fall ill.
You may be right.
Not maybe, but I am. You do not know the importance of exercise.
What should I do then?
Take exercise regularly, either in the morning or in the evening. But in the morning it is better. You will get well without a doctor in no time.
From tomorrow morning, I will start taking exercise.
That is a good thing. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Do you usually exercise?
Yes, I do. Doing exercise is one of my good habits.
What sport do you play?
Swimming is my favorite. I also play tennis.
How often do you exercise?
I go jogging almost every day before breakfast.
When did you start doing exercise?
Just last year, actually.
Is there anyone who does exercise with you?
I go jogging with my older brother. He's a good company of mine.
What benefits can you get from exercising?
Well, a lot. Exercise helps reduce fat and build muscles. It also keeps me awake mentally during the whole day.
Where do you exercise?
At a nearby park. There are some exercise machines for people to use.
Why do you exercise?
To stay healthy, or I like moving. For me, life without moving is like a picture without color.
Do people in your country do much exercises?
I don't think so. They're so busy working that they forget to do exercise.
What if people don't do enough exercise?
Obviously, they'll gain weights fast and become obese.